Okay, good afternoon. Okay, in the last uh, virtual lab practical, we have seen the practical, that is the study of surveying equipment, that is the ATO level. So today we will see the next experiment, that is the study of GPS and its accessories. So we will see first what is GPS, and then we will see what are these accessories and how the GPS works. So before that, we will see the what is GPS. So here word is written GPS. GPS is nothing but global positioning system. GPS is nothing but G for global, P for positioning, and S for system. Global positioning system. So global positioning system, it means what? On the earth or on the globe, we have to find our position by using such technology, that is the GPS technology. Such a system, one of the system, global positioning system, in this technology we are finding our location on the earth by using a GPS device. So how this GPS technology works? So here if you see, the GPS observations are based on the basic principle of trial iteration or trial iteration. So what is trial iteration? That we will see. Trial iteration, which literally means positioning from three distances. It means if we have to find out our location, so we can find our location from different three locations or different 3 or 4 satellites. So this is our own location, and these are the satellite 1, 2, 3 and 4. So from 4 different satellites we can find our position. Okay, now satellite how benefited to the finding the location. So if we take the example of our TV, so you are sitting simply on your sofa. In your right hand you have remote and you are operating the remote. It means you are changing the channels by using only pressing the buttons, and within the fraction of second what is happening, your channel is changing. So channel number 516 to channel number 281, channel number next channel, means you are simply pressing the buttons and you are changing the channel. It means what happening, when you are pressing the remote button, directly channel is changing. It means you are passing the signals from remote towards a TV control dish, then TV control dish to your antenna, which is placed or located on the top of your roof or top of your building, and that antenna fetching the signals from satellites. So this is the way to transfer the signals and changing your TV channel. So similarly, if you are standing on the any ground, if you are standing on the Pandharpur bus station and you have to find out your location, then if you have GPS device, you can find your location from the north and east pole. This is our earth. These are the two equators, north pole and east pole. Two poles are there. Here south is there, here west is there, but north and east, these are the two coordinates. So if our location is this, so from north pole and from east pole, how much distance in degree? Generally our earth is in spherical. Okay, स्पेरिकल आहे की नाही आपली अर्थ. मग जर रीडिंग मेजर करायचं म्हटलं जर सरफेस वरून अर्थच्या, तर कसं असायला पाहिजे ते रीडिंग इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिग्री. सो डिग्री, मिनिट अँड सेकंड. So we will get the coordinates of this location from North Pole and from East Pole, and that coordinates are in the form of degree, minute, and so what are these coordinates? So that coordinates are longitude, latitude, and altitude. So what is longitude, latitude, altitude? So if the distance measured from the North Pole, that is the longitude, distance measured from the East Pole, that is latitude, and altitude means from mean sea level, how much distance you are from mean sea level. समुद्र सपाटीपासून तुम्ही किती उंचीवर आहात, नॉर्थ पोल पासून तुमचं डिस्टन्स किती, ईस्ट पोल पासून तुमचं डिस्टन्स किती, that it means longitude, latitude, and altitude we can find using GPS device. That is the trial iteration process. So now what is GPS? If you see now, a global positioning system device uses data from satellite to locate a specific point on the earth in a process called as trial iteration. Trial iteration is the process which we can use by using the GPS device. And by using GPS device, we can take the signals from satellites and we can find our position. So our position, it means what? These three things: longitude, latitude, and altitude. तुमची position, पंढरपूर बस स्टँड ची तुमची position म्हणजेच काय? Latitude, longitude, and altitude. From North Pole, how much degree you are? From East Pole, how much degree you are? And from mean sea level, कराचीला आपण समुद्र सपाटीची, कराचीच्या समुद्र सपाटीला आपण 0 अशी डेप्थ कन्सिडर करतो. इफ यू आर on the top of or near Raigad, if example is there, you are at Raigad, on the Raigad, so at Raigad or on the Raigad, how much height from mean Karachi sea level to that top of Raigad, that height is the altitude. Or you are at Pandharpur, you are at Solapur, where anywhere you are, त्या ठिकाणची तुमची समुद्र सपाटीपासूनची उंची किती, नॉर्थ पोल पासूनचं डिग्री किती, साउथ पोल ईस्ट पोल पासूनची डिग्री किती, that is nothing but your location. So this technology we can use by this using GPS. आपल्या मोबाईल सारखं डिव्हाइस आहे, दाखवतो मी पुढे. So GPS receives measure the distance to the satellite using radio signals. जसे रेडिओचे सिग्नल सॅटेलाइट्स कडून मिळतात, सिमिलर टू GPS signals we can receive from the satellites. So now this experiment is useful to study the GPS and its application. So this is the study of GPS and its application. Now we will see the instrument and how this instrument actually works. Now objective of this experiment is study of global positioning system and its accessories to find our location of various points on ground anywhere. If you are sitting at Delhi, if you are sitting at China, Beijing, Japan, Tokyo, anywhere you are sitting, your north and east coordinate you will get, that means your location you will get by using GPS device. So now how this GPS works, whether the screen is visible now. Screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now this is our objective of experiment. So see, objective of experiment. So objective, what is objective? To find out the location of various point using GPS. So by using GPS device, we have to find our location. That is the objective of this experiment. So now equipments, what equipments used? So handheld GPS. So similar to our mobile, so GPS device is there. Similar to mobile, GPS device is there, and you can see now here. You can see similar to our mobile. So there are some buttons are there, escape button, in, out button, some navigation button, go to button. So these are buttons are we can use for the operation purpose. So if you see on the screen, are this visible the screen? So if you see the screen, so longitude is shown, latitude is shown, and elevation is shown. See, longitude 77 degree, 53 minute, 35 second north. This is the north coordinate. Then latitude 29 degree, 51 minutes, 17 second east. This is the east coordinate. As I told you, this is our earth, and on the earth, this earth is divided into two equator, north and east. So if you are here, if you are here, if you are here, if you are here, so the degree is measured in the clockwise direction, and we will get the our location in the form of longitude and latitude. And here written elevation. So elevation, it means height. 300 meter is written. It means from mean sea level, समुद्र सपाटीपासून आपण 300 मीटर उंचीवरती आहे. So in this way we can find our location by using this device. So handheld GPS is the instrument. Now we will see the procedure. So in the procedure, we have to follow these particular steps. So step 1, what is step 1? Click on working of instrument. To start the experiment in virtual 3D environment, we get a whole 3D and realistic environment. See the picture below, which is usually user-friendly as soon as the experiment starts. So this picture, if you on your equipment, then this picture you will show 3D environment. So this type of picture you will show. Otherwise, we can add some other pictures also. It means similar to our mobile. आपण आपल्या मोबाईल वरती स्क्रीन वरती कोणताही पिक्चर ठेवू शकतो होम स्क्रीन म्हणून. So similar, we can keep any type of images on this particular screen. So this is the your first step. After this step, second step is so click right mouse button to shift or fix GPS. Press P to show or hide GPS. So there is one stand similar to auto level. We have seen the auto level and stand. Similar to auto level and stand, GPS have also stand. We have to keep the GPS at particular location, and there we have to operate this. So we have to click right mouse button. Here is written right mouse button is given on this your device, and to shift or fix the GPS. So we can fix and shift the GPS. Then third step. So step number 3, for movement in a 3D environment, use following keys. So there are keys are there. W for forward direction. W we can use for forward. S you can use for backward. A is you can use for left, and D you can use for the right. So the keys are available on the screen. Screen वरती या पद्धतीचे key available आहेत. So by using this key, you can go forward, backward, left and right. You have seen the joystick. तुम्ही joystick पाहिले का कधी एखाद्या मोबाईलला किंवा एखाद्या डिव्हाइसला अप बॉटम लेफ्ट राईट साइडला आपण मूव्ह करू शकतो. आता तर टच स्क्रीनचे मोबाईल आहेत त्यामुळे काय गरज नाही. वरती बोट फिरवलं की वरती जाते, खाली बोट ओढलं की खाली येते, बरोबर आहे ना. सो जॉयस्टिक, इफ यू someone has seen the joystick, पाठीमागच्या बॅक फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन अप और डाउन डायरेक्शनला जायचं असेल तर ते जॉयस्टिकचा वापर केला जातो. सिमिलर जॉयस्टिक इज यूज्ड. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 4, click on power button on device, turn on the GPS. So here power button is there. So on the power button, if you click, the screen will be the your device will be the turn on. Then press enter button to proceed. So there is a enter button for proceed. Here enter button is there. If you see here, enter button is there. So this, if you press this enter button, you can proceed. And here detecting the satellites. If you enter the power button, or sorry, enter, if you click the enter button, just a minute, here return. After pressing enter, it automatically receives the signals from the satellites. So signals from minimum 4 satellites are required to get accurate result. Then press OK for proceed. So see, if you press enter button, then your device searching for the signals from satellite. म्हणजे सॅटेलाइटच्या रेंज मध्ये जे डिव्हाइसच्या रेंज मध्ये जे सॅटेलाइट्स आहेत, आपण जर टॉवर पासून जर लांब असेल तर काय होतं, आपल्याला रेंज मिळते का प्रॉपर? नाही मिळत. इट मीन्स व्हॉट हॅपनिंग, आपल्याला जे 4-5 ज्या आपल्या डिव्हाइस वरती, आपल्या मोबाईल वरती ज्या 4-5 जे आपल्याला कॅन्डल्स दिसतात नेटवर्कच्या, त्या काय होतात, सगळ्यात मोठी आहे ती डाऊन झालेली असते, 2 नंबरची डाऊन झालेली असते, 3 नंबरची डाऊन झालेली असते, 4 नंबरची, म्हणजे आपण म्हणतो आपल्याला रेंज कमी आहे. इट मीन्स लेस सिग्नल्स you are getting from the tower. Similarly here, if now if you see here, बघा या स्क्रीन वरती काय दिसतंय बघा आता. Similarly what happening here, detecting the satellites. सॅटेलाइटची पण तुम्हाला रेंज किती आहे, फ्रिक्वेन्सी किती मिळते हे डिटेक्ट व्हायला चालू होतं इफ यू प्रेस द एंटर बटन. सो हाऊ मेनी सॅटेलाइट्स आर विदिन द रेंज ऑफ यू, तुमच्या डिव्हाइसच्या रेंज मध्ये किती सॅटेलाइट येतात, दॅट यू विल नो आफ्टर द प्रेसिंग द एंटर बटन. सो दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस एंटर बटन. देन स्टेप नंबर 5. So step number 5, hold the GPS at point whose coordinates are to be determined with the help of ASTW. So ज्या लोकेशन वरती चे आपल्याला कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट करायचे आहेत, that location we have to set. So I have to find out the location of our Swery College gate. Swery College चे जे गेट आहे त्या गेटचं एक्झॅक्ट लोकेशन आपल्याला फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. इट मीन्स व्हॉट इज लॅटिट्यूड, अल्टिट्यूड अँड longitude, that we have to find. त्या ठिकाणी इन्स्ट्रुमेंट सेट करायचं. 6 नंबर स्टेप, click on in button for observation. There is in button here, so click on in button. It will show latitude, longitude and elevation on GPS screen. So see, जर तुम्ही in button वरती क्लिक केलं, you will get the longitude, latitude and elevation in the form of degree, minute and second. So this is the way to proceed. Now you got the readings. See now, if you see the screen, longitude, latitude and elevation you got. Now step number 7, after you getting the longitude, latitude, in the step number 7, enter object ID. Means if you are taken reading at Pandharpur stand, this is one ID. If you can take the reading of Pandharpur railway station, second ID. If you take the third reading at Swery College gate, this is the third ID. So in this way, multiple ID you can save. So enter object ID. For the point of object ID box, click go to button to store the reading. So here go to button is there. Go to button. If you click on go to button, your reading will be saved. म्हणजेच तुम्ही काय लिहिणार, स्वेरी कॉलेजच्या गेट वरती काय घेतलं, रीडिंग घेतलं, मग त्याचे लॉंजिट्यूड, लॅटिट्यूड आणि इलिव्हेशन काय आला तर तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी नोट करणार. म्हणजे समजा 102 हे जर तुमचा ऑब्जेक्ट आयडी असेल तर ते ऑब्जेक्ट आयडी कुठला आहे तुम्ही मार्क करायचं, स्वेरी कॉलेज गेटचा. त्या ठिकाणी ते 3 रीडिंग तुम्ही सेव्ह करायचे. सिमिलर पंढरपूर शहर, सिमिलर सोलापूर शहर, एनी लोकेशन, एनी you can find such a way. So this is the screen. So are you really want to save this? So you have to save this by using the giving the proper ID name. So you have to give the name to particular location as a ID, 1 number ID, 2 number ID, and you have to save this reading by clicking OK. So now step number 8. So step number 8 is you can walk through the field on different location and we can find the latitude, longitude and elevation of various locations. So if you have to find the location of your 10-acre land, तुमची 10 एकर land आहे, and you have to walk on the boundary of your land. You have to walk on the boundary of your land and you have to save or take the readings of different corners of land. तुमची 10 एकर जमीन आहे, त्या 10 एकर जमीनचे तुम्ही काहीतरी कॉर्नर्स फिक्स करायचे आणि त्या प्रत्येक पॉइंटला जाऊन तुम्ही काय करू शकता, रीडिंग कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता आणि ते रीडिंग परत तुम्ही त्या रीडिंग वरून तुम्ही तुमच्या लँडचा एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता बाय युजिंग सच डीपीएस. ते कोऑर्डिनेट जे तुम्हाला मिळणार आहेत लॉंजिट्यूड लॅटिट्यूड याच्या त्या 10 एकर लँडच्या जर तुम्ही भरपूर कॉर्नर्स वरती रीडिंग्स घेतले तर त्या रीडिंग्स वरून तुमच्या त्या 10 एकर लँडचा विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स लॉंजिट्यूड लॅटिट्यूड यू कॅन फाइंड द एरियाज. So many readings or so many what we can say locations you can visit and you can take the readings. Then step number 9, store the reading as in given step. Reading store कसं करायचं, go to मध्ये जायचं and you have to store the reading. Then step number 8, click on escape button to exit the screen. A message will be displayed that reading successfully saved. If we press the accept button, sorry, or escape button, so you have seen the escape button on your keyboard of keyboard वरती तुम्ही पाहिलेलं आहे escape button असतं. So if we press the escape button which is available on the screen of this device, if we press this button, the whatever reading you have taken, that reading will be the saved. Then step number 11, click on NAV now or navigation button to navigate through the stored reading. So navigation is one of the application of GPS. Navigation is one of the application of GPS. So how navigation use? In your mobile navigation app is there. It means what? So if we go on the Google map, तुम्ही Google map वरती गेला तर तुम्हाला Google map विचारतं where you want to go. So from your location you have to move towards Pune, you have to move towards Solapur, you have to move towards Aurangabad. If we put the name of city and you will get the path or direction. And if you are moving by the car, if you are moving by the vehicles, then you will show how much time required to reach that destination. तुम्हाला सोलापूरला, पुण्याला, औरंगाबादला जायचं असेल तर काय होईल, तुम्हाला त्या नेव्हिगेशन पाथ मोबाईल वरती अवेलेबल आहे. दिस इज द जीपीएस टेक्नॉलॉजी, पोझिशनिंग टेक्नॉलॉजी. तुमची कार कुठे आहे ते तुम्हाला त्या पाथ वरती दिसत असतं. पाहिले का तुम्ही, सर्च केलंय का तसं? मे बी केला असेल, बऱ्याच जणांनी जीपीएस वापरला असेल फॉर द नेव्हिगेशन पर्पज. आर यू विथ मी?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen? So this is the GPS technology and so many applications in the field of civil engineering. Military मध्ये आपण यूज करू शकतो, ट्रॅकिंग पर्पज साठी आपण यूज करू शकतो. Then we can use for the purpose of agricultural पर्पज साठी आपण यूज करू शकतो. म्हणजे एरिया कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकतो. सो मेनी ऍप्लिकेशन्स आर देअर of this GPS. So if you are going for the tracking purpose, it means you are moving in the jungle area. जंगलामध्ये तुम्ही फिरत आहात आणि if everyone having this GPS device, प्रत्येकाजवळ हे GPS device असेल आणि जर तुमच्या other GPS चे coordinates जर दुसऱ्या युजरला माहित असतील आणि जर तुमच्यापैकी कोण जर मिस झालं, कोण जर हरवलं, तर you can find to this particular person by using GPS. तुम्ही GPS डिव्हाइस यूज करून त्या दुसऱ्या लोकेशन वरती असलेल्या त्या GPS डिव्हाइसला ट्रॅक करू शकता. सो इन दिस इज द नाउ मॉडर्न applications. So if we take the example of our military, so in the military there are some units are there. Our soldiers are working or protecting to us from the our boundary area. So there are units are there, 10 people, 11 people units are there. So suppose sometimes attacks from other sides. प्रत्येक टीम जवळ एक GPS डिव्हाइस असतं. जर अदर साइड पासून जर अटॅक झाला आणि चुकून जर ते युनिट जर आपलं नष्ट झालं, 10 पीपलचं 11 पीपलचं, तर त्यांच्या जर GPS डिव्हाइस असेल आणि त्यांचा जर कॉन्टॅक्ट होत नसेल आपल्याला, तर वी कॅन ट्रॅक बाय युजिंग दॅट GPS डिव्हाइस. ते GPS डिव्हाइस तर त्या ठिकाणी कुठे तर पडलेलं असेल. सो वी कॅन ट्रॅक टू दिस GPS अँड वी कॅन ट्रॅक दिस पीपल वेअर दे आर. सो नाउ डेज इन मिलिटरी वी कॅन regularly using this GPS device or this GPS technology. Are you getting? So in this way we can navigate. Then step number 12, press P button to turn off the GPS. So we can press the P button for the switch off our device. So in this way we can find our location on earth, anywhere on the earth, and that location, it means what? Longitude, latitude and elevation. This is the study of GPS and its accessories. So many applications are there, as I told you, tracking purpose. If you went for in the hilly area, तुम्ही जर hilly areas मध्ये ट्रॅकिंग ला गेला असाल, so hilly area it means not 1 meter height. 1 meter height म्हणजे hilly area नसतो, उंच टेकडी असते. So if you missed from this hilly area and if you have a GPS device, you may be tracked by other GPS device. Are you getting? So this is the applications of for GPS. We can find the area of any land. You can find the area of any building. You can find the area of building which is fired. एखाद्या आग लागलेल्या बिल्डिंगचा एरिया तुम्ही सुद्धा GPS डिव्हाइस ने कॅल्क्युलेट करू शकता. मेजरमेंट करायला जाता येत नाही त्या ठिकाणी, त्यामुळे कॉर्नर्सचे जर तुम्ही कोऑर्डिनेट्स फाइंड आउट केले त्या बिल्डिंगच्या, तर किती एरियाला आग लागली होती, फायर झाला होता, that you can find using this GPS device. So this is the device used by civil engineer, but this is made by you people, computer and electronics people. Computer and electronics people made by this, but so many applications in the field of civil engineering. So major role of making this electronics people role of major role, as some software related some part is there, that part by the computer people also, and the application used for the civil engineers. So we all engineers working together. So nothing here, nothing my branch is great, my branch like this. So everyone we are together, depends upon each everyone. प्रत्येकाने जे इन्स्ट्रुमेंट तयार केले ते दुसरा वापरत असतो, तुमचा कोडिंग दुसरे यूज करत असतात, इलेक्ट्रॉनिकचा वापर आपल्याला होतो, प्रत्येकाला वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने एकमेकांचं हेल्प होत असते. सो इन दिस वे वी कॅन कव्हर दिस पर्टिक्युलर एक्सपेरिमेंट, दॅट इज दी study of GPS device and its accessories. Okay, so today we will stop here for this particular experiment. Okay, wait, I will take attendance and then we will close.